Everyone, I'm Dr. Shri Banerjee, certified astrologer, and in this segment, I'm going to be going over what is upcoming for the new moon. This is a good time to also evaluate what took place in 2025, since we're getting close to the New Year's to 2026. So let's go ahead and get started here. So the first, and by the way, the new moon has already taken place at the recording, as of this recording. This took place 2 days ago at 8:43 p.m. Eastern time. So first of all, Leo is the ascendant. Of course, the new moon was in Sagittarius. Sagittarius is a very proud sort of sign. Jupiter rules Sagittarius, and so Jupiter is right in the 10th, 12th house. So that's kind of a kind of a diminished place for Jupiter to be, because Jupiter is more of an exalted sort of planet, and so a lot of times 10th house would be a good place for Jupiter to have. This is more of death, reformation, rejuvenation. And so Jupiter is there. Jupiter is the ruler of the new moon. So new moon is in the house of creativity, the fifth house. And so when you have the new moon in and the sign, ruling sign in here, then you have kind of a transformation taking place with the new moon coming to 2026. So look for, of course, you have New Year's resolutions that comes up, and I'm going to be talking more about that in subsequent videos. But make sure you're trying to make a list of things that you want to change, drastic, major changes that you would like to have in order to improve your life. Of course, there's Pluto. Pluto is in the sixth house, and Pluto rules a lot of the deeper sort of emotional connections and understanding of death and things like that. So I'm not trying to say this is doom and gloom, but of course there's a lot of things going on here, and please take note of that. All right, so I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.